Welcome back to my morning point analysis videos on Friday 8th of February with me, Richard Permark, analyst at Antic Markets. Going to look at cable, which has been dropping away, but yesterday, volatile day actually. Initially lower on the Bank of England, but then suggestions that Theresa May is going to sort of keep the backstop, but just change the possibility of it. It's still up in the air, really. And the sterling rebounded, and it's sort of held on to that rebound, really. I mean, it's just a shade low at sort of 20 odd pips, but obviously a lot of volatility yesterday. I mean, we had a rebound from 28.50, which I've been saying in the last few days that I see this market sort of coming back into all these sort of pivot bands here, all these pivot lines, which is basically mid-range. So 28 figure, an area where 28.15, sort of the lower one really that you wouldn't really want to get through, and it's held above that, and you're back at 29.20, and basically that's where we are today. So again, if you sort of hold up above 29.20, I think you're still maintaining a fairly reasonably positive outlook within the range. I mean, you're sort of trading above 144 day, 89 day, 55 day moving averages. So you're holding on to that, and you've still got essentially positive configuration on momentum. It's just that you've just had that near-term drop. You're back around 50 on RSI, still above neutral on MACD. Stochastics starting to sort of shallow or decelerate their decline. So it's a sell-off that is sort of finding a little bit of feet again. It'd be interesting to see if 29.20 can hold, but 28.15 I'm still taking as sort of the key level near term. But you do obviously have the overhead supply, the overhead resistance at 130 big figure, and you can see that on the hourly chart. Yesterday that came back in again. So the market is still a little bit uncertain as to exactly how to settle, and as I said, it sort of might take a day or so to find its feet again. There is still this mild negative bias in the fact that you're still sort of posting lower highs, lower lows pretty much, although yesterday's sort of rebound went above the previous session, but ultimately back up still under 30 big figure. But I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later.